Huawei is a top dog in the smartphone industry. They make really good phones, and their Huawei P series and mid series are some of the best camera phones in the market. Now, earlier this week, there were speculations surrounding them that they were about to sell off their P and mid series, though they later came out and officially said that they are not selling their P and mid series, rather they'll keep making phones. Late last year, they had to sell off their Honor brand to a Shenzhen New Information Technology Limited. Now, 2 years ago, under Trump's administration, Huawei was placed on a blacklist. A year after that, they were placed on an entity list. Now, what this means for them is, one, they will not be able to partner with US companies, source materials from US companies, or even work with companies that use US materials. Now, what that means was they lost availability to Google Play services, they lost availability to make chips for their devices, and that seriously affected their mobile industry, and it was very hard for them to sell outside China. So next on the news is OnePlus co-founder Carl launches new company tomorrow. Now, the news was yesterday, so he's launching the company today. Now, OnePlus is a company that most of you have not heard of. It's actually a tech enthusiast company because of its great bang for buck devices. But over the years, their prices kept surging from around $300 to like $899, which is poor. Now, OnePlus was launched by two guys, Carl and Pete Law. Now, Carl, he left the company late last year when the company was right about to launch two devices, the OnePlus Nord N10 and OnePlus Nord N100, both 5G capable devices. Now, the value of these two devices were really low because the prices were insanely high. Now, many people thought he was leaving because of the future of the company, because they were living their budget-friendly lifestyle to go towards the big dogs, the most expensive devices out there. Now, yesterday, he announced he was starting up his own company, and he was opening it today by 11 a.m. UK time. And this company is a consumer electronics company, and it focuses on headphones, music gadgets, and lots more. Now, the big question that was running through my mind yesterday was, why did he leave OnePlus to start up his own consumer electronics company which focuses on music gadgets? Like, since OnePlus also makes music gadgets like the OnePlus Bullet and the TWS AirPods, why is he making his own separately? So I will just have to sit and watch what he does, but I guess it's quite encouraging. And if you like this kind of videos, like this kind of news videos, you can actually drop them in the comment section down below. I'll be really delighted to hear from you guys. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, click the like button, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and toggle on the bell icon to get notified when I drop my next video. This is Ben Jacob from Revi, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.